This is a video showing how to use the curve fits within PASCO Capstone. So I've previously collected some data that has a parabola here. So I'm going to go to the curve fits menu up above, select the right hand downward arrow, and go down and select quadratic. Since this data represents a parabola already, you can see that we've got a very good curve fit for this data. But say, for instance, that I wish to display a curve fit showing the vertex formula. I can then do that by going back up to the curve fit, selecting the right-hand downward arrow, and then going down to the user-defined at the bottom. So this curve is having some difficulties fitting because we don't have a very good definition here. This linear relationship doesn't work well with the parabola. So to adjust this, with this selected, we're going to go over to the left-hand side and select on the Curve Fit Editor. If this button is not visible, you can go up to the eyeball just under the tools, click on that, and then from this pull-down menu you can make sure that the Curve Fit Editor is selected. Again, with the user-defined curve fit selected, I'm going to click on the Curve Fit Editor, and above I can modify this. Because this is using an index instead of a measurement, for the inputs for this curve fit, I need to use the n since it's a discrete value rather than a continuous varying quantity. So I'll go ahead and highlight this, and I'll put in the form for the vertex form of the curve fit for a parabola. Again, I'm using an n instead of an x here. Once I've put in my formula, I'll go ahead and click on Apply. Now that I have a formula that better fits this, you can see that it is fitted this formula very well. The RMSE value is very, very small. And we have both the h and k parameters reported out directly.